Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing well. Now, being a thorough beauty enthusiast, I just love experimenting with products. I'm always juggling and trying new things so that I can find out what is working for me, what is not working for me. And once in a while, when I come across a product that completely bowls me over, I come over here and share that product with you guys. And today the product that I am talking about is the Wishcare Coconut Biotin Shampoo and Conditioner. Now, I am not a person who would use a product once, frame an opinion, and come over here and start speaking. I do try a product for a fairly good amount of time before I actually frame any opinion. So I have been using this shampoo and conditioner for over a month now. Yes, I've tried it that much. So after I was like satisfied from all corners, I decided that I would come over here and shoot a video and tell you why I love this combo so much. First of all, we'll talk about the coconut creme shampoo from this combo. Um, like when I saw this whole thing that it has got coconut and biotin in it, I was wanting to buy it, and because I am already using the Wishcare aloe vera gel, I was impressed with the company. That they do make good products. This shampoo really does have some kick-ass ingredients like biotin, coconut milk though is there only, that was understood, but apart that it also have like coconut oil, aloe vera, shea butter, beeswax, sunflower, macadamia, hemp seed, neem, sea buttocum. They're like lot of oils, all the good things, all these good oils that are used for the benefit of our hair. All that is in this, and the most important component of this shampoo is biotin. Now, biotin has a very important role to play in the overall health and the overall growth of your hair, because biotin is a vitamin B complex and it helps to improve the keratin infrastructure of your hair. Now, we all know that how important keratin is for the growth and the overall maintenance of our hair, so you cannot ignore the role of biotin in that. The formula of this shampoo is very creamy. Like when you just take the shampoo on your hand, you feel like you're holding a coconut cream. It is very creamy, and it is paraben and sulfur free. So I was not expecting any lather, but surprisingly it did lather. It did not lather as much as normal shampoos do, and it is clearly mentioned over here that you should not expect that much lather. But yeah, it did lather really well, and in spite of being a mild shampoo, it did clean my scalp, because I think one problem with these paraben and sulfate free shampoo is that they are so freaking mild that when you just wash your hair, you feel like yaar baal saaf hi nahi hue, right? But with this one, I did feel that it was able to clean my scalp a lot. The quantity of shampoo that I took was slightly more. I mean, if you compare it with the normal shampoos, so yes, the quantity of shampoo was slightly more. But yes, at the end, my scalp was clean, and my, it felt like nicely washed hair. So after you're done with the shampoo, you have to apply the coconut creme conditioner. This was a combo that I ordered, so I thought that okay, I'll try both of them. So this conditioner is also good, very milky, I would say. Normally what I do is that after I've rinsed off the shampoo completely, I just do like a quick session of towel dry, that I get rid of all the running water, because otherwise what happens is that because you've just rinsed your hair, so much of water is running, and then on the top of it you apply the conditioner, so more than half of your conditioner just goes away, and the remaining half, obviously it doesn't work that much because it is so freaking diluted. So what I suggest everyone is that after you've rinsed your shampoo, just do one session of towel dry so that there is no running water. Then you apply the conditioner on the ends, and this conditioner is also very creamy, obviously coconutty creamy, and I just applied it on the ends, and then you're supposed to leave it for 5 minutes, and then you just wash it off like a normal conditioner, and the magic is done. Pricing wise, both of them are priced at 599 rupees each, but if you order them in a combo and if you like look out for offers, then you will get them in good offers always. I will mention the purchase link in the description box below, like just in case you want to try it. So as I said that I have been using this shampoo and conditioner combo for over a month now, and I have started seeing the changes in the overall quality of my hair. Like, I can feel the health of my hair improving. Whenever we are opting for paraben free, sulfur free, mild shampoos, it will take a little time for them to show the results on your hair, because they are made from very safe ingredients. So there's no there's no shortcut that after one shampoo you will see a magical difference. You will have to give it time. All I can say is that I do thoroughly enjoy using these two products on my hair. They're regular shampoo and conditioner, but they're really good, and I have started feeling a good positive difference on my hair, and I would highly recommend you to try it, especially if you have like dry, damaged hair, lifeless hair, and you're looking for a super conditioning something. Then this coconut and biotin formula is meant for your hair, and you should definitely try it. So yeah, this was all from my side today, and I hope that you will find this video useful, and if you're looking for such a product, then I hope that I have solved that problem for you. And that was all from my side today. I will see you again with a new video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and lots of love.